Like, my Canadian butt won't survive. I think this would be the earliest I've ever started a vlog so far, at least for vlogmas, or maybe literally in general. I'm going to my mom to help take airport, and so I'm going with her. It's currently this time. It's 6:30. Her flight is at 9, but I also work at 9:45, so we have to figure. Okay, because I'm commuting back from Pearson to work. So let's see how this goes. So currently 6:32, 6:35. Let's see how it goes. Bah. Hey Google. Hey Google. Pause. So my mom is currently going to the Philippines to visit family. Me and Chris are staying back. Why am I, you ask? Well, Chris has school, and I don't want us to go. I want it to be like a family vacation, and also I wanted to see how me and Chris would survive in the Philippines together. Because I lived in Canada, and I was raised in Canada. I haven't been looking at the camera. I'm used to. Well, obviously it gets hot here, but obviously we have snow and it's cold here. Even though it's not this cold this year. Because I'm used to the cold. I'm used to, well, I guess. Again, it gets hot in Canada, but like when it's like, say, like 5 degrees Celsius, a few Americans out there, that I'm like, pretty warm for this time of year. So for me, anything that goes above, say, 25 degrees, I'm like, it's a no for me, dog. So with the Philippines being sometimes like 30, 40, 50 degrees, I'll burn. Like not just like not like just like I need sunblock burn. I think I'll just catch on fire. Like my Canadian butt won't survive at all. Vlogmas day 6, 7.
Let it snow. Let it snow.
Okay, so now we're at the airport. We like passed out inside. My mom has to find a place to go, and I have to find out how to go to work. You're gonna platform down in 3 quarters?
Huh?
Okay, bye-bye. I won't see you for 2 weeks.
Love you, baby.
Love you. Okay. Call me what happens.
I'll sort this out. I don't know.
Step number 1, getting from the airport to the train station. Oh, I think I see it. There we go. Okay. Train to the centre-ville. Now we're going from here to here. This is actually a nice feeling. So I got to Union, got McDonald's because I need to eat something, didn't have breakfast. The train is here, so hopefully my food will be ready before. There's the McDonald's, there's my train, 11:12, 5 minutes. Let's see. Got the goods, now I have to get on the train. These are the hash browns, but when do they become small and like mini ones?
905 Lakeshore East train, you're on platforms 11 and 12, all stops to Durham College, Oshawa, go.
Yeah,
Of course, a hockey sign has to be in the way. Okay, thankfully I got to work. I was like 10, 15 minutes late, but I called in so they would know. But I'm on time. I'm at work now, so.
And
Are you listening to Bridget Mendler?
yeah, it's such a good song. No,
I know it's a good song. What the hell?
in Scholastic, remember the Scholastic book fair they were having?
Oh, I think it's all ketchup on my face. Oh, wait. So me and Chris have been slacking. We have not been opening the thing, the Kinder Bueno.
We're both like, where's 4?
Who's that? I'll do 5. Who had 5?
It wasn't me. Wait, was it Mom?
Oh, yeah, bitch.
Did.
Big and we're bad. And we're hungry.
That bitch, open it now.
I swear.
Maybe 6. I'll do 6. You want to read it? Don't get so excited. Ooh, dark. No. Oh, just regular. 6. 7?
That's good, Freddie.
Ooh, more pute. 8. Oh, okay. Lucky number 8. Oh my god, I just realized it's like, I look like a giant compared to you.
How can we look humongous?
Humongous.
The brain.
It's a boy!
It's just dark.
Okay, so now I eat all of these. Yum.